Alright, gonna swap the diverter valve out. Just recorded the way the 007 sounds by putting my phone in the engine bay. It is a little loud. I'm gonna see if I can edit it to sound a little better before adding it to the rest of the video. So yeah, let's do this real quick. Insert cool music here. Yeah, I don't really do that much editing. You know, I should probably add music here and there, right? Make it more enjoyable to watch this stuff. So let's give it a shot, huh? So yeah, that's it. The RKX diverter valve is in there and it operates just fine. Comes out of vacuum quick, holds boost the whole time. So there's no drivability issues at all. It sometimes feels better even. So yeah, I'm going to take a quick video out the window, see if we can hear it better.